What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop a photo into a circle in Canva. So firstly, what we want to do is to add a photo to the blank like I did right here. Then after you did that, you're going to go to left bar, and here as you can see we have elements. You're going to click on it. Then we're going to go to the search elements and we're going to search for frame. Now, as you can see, after you search, we have frames and we have a circle frame. So what we want to do is to click on it, or you're going to click and drag it to the blank like so. Then after you did that, what you want to do, you're going to select the photo that you want to crop into a circle, and you're going to drag it to the frame circle like so. Now as you can see, we just cropped a photo into a circle. So what we want to do now is to center, for this example, the bird into the center of the circle. To do that, you're going to double click on the circle frame, then you're going to click on the photo and drag it to the center like so. Also, you can increase the size of the picture like so. Then you're going to click on down, and as simple as that, you can crop any photo into a circle in Canva PC. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.